Hello guys, so I'm trying to get in this I'm trying to get to this crawler scene for the RC. I'm trying to get this hobby. But like I said, I don't want to spend too much money. So what I did is I just went online and I seen one out there. They were like $1,000. There's some for like $300. There's some for like $400. I mean, name it. But I mean, it's really nothing through it. I mean, you're just gonna be, RCs just to me is RCs. No, it's not really like there's camera on them or, you can really use it for anything else. The only thing really you can do is climb and go through the rocks, maybe, run over potholes and lakes or anything else. But anyway, it got me interested. So I got different sizes, so because it's very interesting. I'm trying to get to this hobby and it's just different what I'm used to. So there's few scales. Like this one right here is this crawler here. You can see I got this on Amazon for like what? It was not new. I got it for what? $6. And I think it comes with the controller, but I got this. This is a 143 scale crawler. That's what it's supposed to look like. And I got this also on Amazon for like $16. And this one is a 120 scale. And I got this at Walmart for, I call it $16. And this one right here is it's supposedly I think this is a 14 scale or 16, I'm not too sure. And this one, I got this at Walmart.com for $21. And this is a 12 scale. And very interestingly, this guy here, I got this at Amazon for, I got this for $45. And this one right here is a thin scale crawler. So we're gonna go ahead and see what's all about, man. It's just so cool for me because I'm trying to get to this hobby, but it's just so many scale, and I don't know where to start from because I like them all. Like I looked at it online. I said, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and start with 143 scale, and I looked at it again. I said, I'm gonna go ahead and go for 120 scale, and then again I went, I'm gonna go ahead and go to 114 scale, maybe 118 scale. And I went back again and said, you know what, I'm going to go ahead and go 112 scale, see what's all about. And now I got 110 scale. Very interesting. But the reason why I got interested on this, because, I like to do, maybe I go to the beach, I can run over sand. And I look out there online and I don't really find anything that got my interest. The cool thing about this right here is the fact that it's just, this one right here has a 2-motor, supposedly. I'm gonna go to open it up, and this one got 2 motors on them, and it'll climb, it'll do crawl, and it comes with the controller already for $6. I got it on sale, so it was used. I think it was returned Amazon, I'm not too sure. But this one right here is a bigger scale. Oops, I dropped something. And this one right here is This one right here is a 120 scale, and you can see the big difference between these two, and something. And then we're gonna go ahead and do a quick open up here so you guys can see what I'm talking about. And it's very interesting, man. And some of them comes with 2 or 3 batteries, and I think this is a metal one. I'm not too sure. Yeah, I think this is the one that I ordered. It has some metal in it. But this one right here is supposed to be 16 scale. Pretty interesting. Comes with the structure already. It comes with this cool controller. And I think it comes with batteries already. So you can get this. I got this for I'll put the website on there so you guys can see. I got this for $16. And I'm gonna go ahead and check it out really quick so you guys see what I'm talking about here. And this one right here, is 12 scale crawler. And this is the controller that comes with it. And I mean, think about it. This thing right here is $20 or $21. And it comes with a battery. I mean, everything is ready. I mean, everything you can think of is ready to go. I mean, you know. You also come with a battery for your controller battery. It comes with a charger. I mean, it comes with it's ready, set, go. And then we're gonna go ahead and see what this guy. This is so interesting. Sorry, man, it's just a mess. I'm trying to go quick with this thing. And this one is a 10 scale. And I got this at Amazon for about $45. 10 scale crawler. Okay, for $45, we're gonna go and see what it got. It comes with a battery, and it comes with a remote control battery and a charger for $45. I mean, you know, most likely I've seen a 10 scale. It's like $100 to $75, cheapest one I've seen. This one right here comes brand new for $45. And you got 12 scale here, and then you got 14 or whatever this one scale is, and I think this one is 18 or 14 scale. You guys see the difference within all this crawlers. I'm sorry. All these crawlers here, and yeah, very interesting. And it comes with the controllers already, and you're set to go. I mean, you know, like it comes with all the controllers, and I pay all this maybe less than I would say $100. This is a hold on, I think this is right here is a 14 scale, and this one is 18 scale. It's really confusing. So now you guys see, I'm trying to put all this together so you guys can see exactly the sizes on this, because it's really confusing when you get on this thing and see all of them. So anyway, that's about it, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and